Hi, I'm Tara Early with the RCT team of Sotheby's International Realty in Santa Fe, New Mexico. I'm happy to welcome you today to a beautiful property in Las Campanas in the highly coveted area of Club Estates. We're at 72 Gray Wolf. This is a gorgeous soft contemporary home with Santa Fe cues. It borders the 17th hole of the Sunset Golf Course, and it is designed specifically for wonderful indoor-outdoor living. I hope you enjoy this beautiful property. Thank you so much for being with us today to see this wonderful property. For more information on this property or any of our other wonderful listings, please visit rickyallen.com. Have a great Santa Fe day.